go the other day or no?
No,
I didn't see you there.
Working.
Oh, a lot of people played hooky.
Yes, I know, but I don't. Doing a video, huh?
Right, I started outside over here. I'm going to go all the way out there.
That's pretty cool.
I'll make you, I'll give you a card, and next week you can get up on YouTube here and you can see it.
Okay.
See all of them that I do.
Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Well, since we got the mayor here, I might as well ask him a question. You seen any good movies recently?
Yeah.
Did you see Hunger Games?
No, I saw the girl with the dragon tattoo.
Oh, what did you think about that?
That was a very interesting one. And I saw Descendants. That was a very good one.
Oh, Descendants? Yeah, that was real good.
Yeah.
Have you read the Stig Larsson series of the books about the girl with the dragon tattoo? It'll be easier to understand.
Well, I understood it. It was pretty interesting.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of true. Some of that's real true going over in Europe right now. You probably know about that. Yeah.
Go crazy.
How about any good books? Got any good reads you've had recently?
Well, I've been too busy trying to get
No fiction to get away from it, huh?
No, I live in it. I don't have to get away from it. I live in it.
So, when you grew up, when you were a kid, did you ever think that you would be the mayor or that you would be in a position to help people the way you are?
No. My parents just taught me to do the best you can wherever you're at.
Oh, good.
That's all I'm doing now. You know, and when you look around this pub here and outside, and opening day, and what happened a couple days ago with the Tigers, and last night with Sugarland, we got a great city. The nice part about it is you get things here at a discounted rate. People get upset that it's a discounted rate. I think they'd rather pay twice as much for a ticket than they feel like they got something. But I like the discounted rate myself. And so I love my city, love the people here. I'm just going to keep moving.
I know, and it's too bad it has to do with politics, too. I mean, if you could just do it because you wanted to do it without having to go through all this other stuff.
Well, you know, politics is always in everything. When my brothers and I used to sit down at the table and my mom was getting ready to show up some ice cream, there was politics in that too. So there's always going to be politics.
It's a little loud in here. Maybe we'll catch you next time.
All right.
How about you, Karen? Have you got any good books you read recently?
Yeah. Algebra 2.
Yes.
By Einstein.
All my educational books for my students at Whitmer High School.
Oh, good. Here, you can give them a wave. Okay, thanks. Talk to you later. It's too much fun. Yeah, get together.
Come on, get in here.
So this is a video.
Oh, video.
And you can see it on YouTube in about a week.
And we love the mud hats.
Yeah, look for opening day. Hi, gang. You're going to the game or are you just having fun?
We love the game video. We're from Cleveland.
Oh, you are? I'll be right back. What's your name, girls?
Yeah, Katie.
Katie.
Rogers Demetra.
What's your name?
Bobby.
Bobby. Oh, you're from Cleveland, really?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
14 innings or 15 innings yesterday.
Oh, did Cleveland win?
Yeah, no.
Oh, no. Detroit won, which was pretty good.
Yeah, Cleveland lost. Our home opener.
So in the next couple days, next week, look under Mud Hens Opener and this will be up on there. Thanks for coming to Toledo. Okay. Are you from Toledo area?
Toledo.
Toledo?
Oh, wait, he's from DC.
Oh, from DC?
We just picked him up.
Oh, from the airport?
Yes.
Well,
Well,
there too.
welcome from Toledo. Look at
Where are
this.
you handing us
There's somebody about a week later. Look under Mud Hens opener. Yeah. Did you get to go to the game the other day?
Oh, no.
Oh, that would have been fun. Hi, girls. Did you go Wednesday's game?
No.
Oh, that would have been fun.
Was it a good ball game?
Yeah, it was fun. Just to see all those players.
Careful with the purse. Careful with the purse.
Everybody going to the game? Hi, girls.
Hey, nice camera.
What happened to you?
I broke something.
Oh, no. How, are you in rehabilitation now or something?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, I got my hip replaced, so.
I haven't got my hips yet.
Oh. Well, when you get old like me, you'll need hips.
She even went and watched.
So we're the first vehicle. Oh, really? He's like, because everyone's gonna be like, I'm like, I'm gonna be hanging out. Isn't that what you think sometimes?
Nice shirt.
Like that?
Yeah. You listen to WIOT?
I'm not gonna tell you what I had to do to get it.
Oh, no. Hey, gang, how you doing?
Good.
Good to see you.
Hey, he's got to catch the Jagger girls. Where's Jeannie? Jeannie! Jeannie, come back.
Hi. Oh, our Jägermeister shirts.
All right. What's your names?
Cindy, Patty, and Jeannie.
Oh, good. Cindy, Patty, and Jeannie. You're going to be on the internet.
Beautiful.
So look for opening day Mud Hens, and you'll be on the video for the store here.
Go ahead.
Okay, good. Nice shirts.
I know.
Oh.
Is that like a
Can I take a photograph in here? I mean a video in here and show what the inside looks like? What's your name?
Go ahead, just say go ahead.
Okay, good. Whoa. This is nice. Sorry, forgot your name, Brad. Going to the game?
No.
Just gonna hang out, huh?
Yeah.
Good. Did you go to the game the other day? No. Are you all four together?
No.
Oh. Never mind. Nice. Were you at the game yesterday?
Yes.
Outside the fence?
Yes.
You're going to be on YouTube next week.
Oh boy.
So if you were skipping work, is that
no, I wouldn't know. Nobody's gonna hang my head. Hang my
Right.
Yeah.
You'd be on YouTube if you were at the
Yeah.
Somebody would be mad. Yeah, there'd be something wrong.
Yeah.
Trouble with paradise.
Michelle, hello. Okay.
It'll be on YouTube, CamericaTV.
Okay.
About Wednesday.
Oh, Monica. I don't know what.